Hey guys, so this video has taken me a while to get up because quite honestly, I forgot that I took a bunch of footage for it, but I really wanted to put it together because I was editing the videos and I was like, whoa, I actually did make some major changes in my kitchen and it'll be fun. I love watching these. I love home renovation TV shows. I love watching people on YouTube who do it. I want to do one of my own because little changes in a small studio apartment really make a big difference, and I'd like to share some more tips and tricks for how to live in a small space. So this is just one little way to make it feel like your own. I know that painting is not necessarily allowed in renting, but my landlord said I could do it. So let's get into the video. We're gonna take you back in time to when Ryan and I were engaged in February. Bye. Okay, here's the kitchen. So in the background, Ryan and my dad are talking about UFC fights, so ignore that. But this is our kitchen. Excuse the mess right now because we literally went to Costco and we've been doing dishes all day, but I wanted to get this in here before I forget to film, because that would suck. So over here I have like this little corner table. It's a very spacious kitchen for a studio apartment, which I'm really grateful for because I love a good kitchen. So right here is this little like breakfast nook that I have, and then I want to paint this as an accent wall, but I also think that it might look best if we also do this wall. Oh, come on, why are you so blurry? It's a beautiful day to be alive. Don't be blurry on me. I had to restart because she just was not listening to me, this camera. So I would love to get maybe some small floating shelves above here, maybe to keep some, you know, spices or just easy accessible things. I mean, even though this whole place is easy and accessible because it's small. And then also I'm thinking about some floating shelves here or maybe above here, or maybe all the way across. I don't know yet. So I'll take you through my little makeover process. My little Joanna Gaines project. Over here is the stuff we got from Home Depot. And then this is the paint I went with. And I don't know why I keep second guessing this color. Oh my gosh, it keeps getting blurry.
Is that why you're wearing the overalls? Because you're painting?
Yeah. Duh, I love a good theme.
Oh, yeah. I just realized that.
Oh god, I can't breathe. Oh, it's so recording. I don't know why I keep second guessing it. I feel like maybe I should have just done a light gray in here, that the pistachio may be too much, but I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. We gotta put up the tape now. He's opening the paint for me. Voila. Here we go. You're about to be all over this wall. Make sure you put down tape and trash bags so that you don't get paint everywhere. It's very satisfying. Can't really see the difference, but it really is different, and when it dries it looks better. But we're over here rolling away. Hey! I put in these crazy little space buns. See that everyone's wearing them these days. They're all the rage. Don't really love them though. It looks like Princess Leia. Get that spot, doll.
Oh, you gotta make sure you don't leave spots like this.
Oh. That's why I have you here. You the man. Don't get it twisted, honey. Vlogging and painting. It's quite the talent. First coat down. Now we're gonna wait for it to dry and get that second coat on here. Okay, so to make more space in this small studio apartment kitchen, even though I have a big kitchen, but I still want to make as much space as possible and utilize it, I'm taking these command strips, and then all you do is you just kind of put them, where's one that I already did? Okay, so I just put the sticky on the back here, and then I cut off this little tag, and then I take the sticky off, and I attach this, and then I've started hanging them right here, and I'm gonna crick out and put like 1 cup, 1.5 cup, and make something like really cute right here, so when I open it up it just looks nice, and then I just can save extra space because right now those were sitting right there, and you know, if I ever want to get any extra bowls or like little things, I wouldn't have that space if I had kept them there. So you just have to think of like little ways. So I'll keep showing you the little ways that I'm gonna change and like add extra space, but I eventually want to to get these little stands that go like right there on the shelf so that I can have like a 2-layer shelf. Well, mainly for this one so that I can layer my mugs since I clearly have a lot of mugs up there. But yeah, just a little DIY project. So this is the drawer that seriously needs organizing. Can anybody relate having a massive junk drawer? It's so unsatisfying to look at, and I'm ready to organize and make this look nice and clean. Everything can have its place, so you will see this in the final reveal. I got this for one of my wedding gifts, and I'm going to hang it up somewhere. I'm not sure where yet, but it's so cute and perfect for the kitchen. So Ryan and I just hung these shelves. I got these shelves from Kirkland's. Look how pretty they are. They're very kind of French country. Look at the sconces, so pretty. I think they're called sconces. Only problem I'm having is that the back doesn't fully, like if you look, it kind of hangs. The hook that's on there is like a hang kind of hook, so it doesn't fully like sit straight on the wall. But other than that, I absolutely love it. And now I need to style it to the best of my abilities. I'm still trying to master how to display my home goods, so don't judge me, but I'm just having fun and playing around with it. It will always change, you know. It always does when you get more inspiration. So I just wanted to display some of the stuff that I got for my wedding. I think I did a pretty good job. This is my before of the kitchen, very cluttered, very messy. And now the after. I just think it looks so fresh and clean and light and airy, and it makes me really excited to cook in my kitchen, which I love to do. So the refrigerator, I took down all the frames because it seemed a little cluttered. I'll probably bring them back for the holidays with holiday photos because it's festive. Down here, I have a little whiteboard that Ryan and I like to write little notes on, and then up here, I have my classic Friends frame with my friend Brandy and I. We went to the Friends set, so that was really fun. And then up here, I still have some clutter going on. I really want to get a few bins to organize it. On the side of my refrigerator, you see it still looks pretty cluttered, so I need to work on that. I have a few projects still in my kitchen I want to get done. And then down here is my favorite kitchen towel for the summertime. It's so cute. So over here was kind of my inspiration for the whole color of the kitchen was Miss Pistache, my prized possession KitchenAid mixer. As you can see, the color reflects the color on the walls. There is a difference. It's hard to see in this light, but that's a pistachio looking color, and then that's the white down below. I think it looks really good. Now for the before over here. So you saw that my kitchen had an old microwave, and this is my new one. It's a little retro. I love it. And then in the cupboards, I finally completed that project where I hung up my measuring cups. I got a Cricut still above and write the tablespoons, not the tablespoons, the cups. So I'll do that in the future. And then up here, I got that shelf, and it looks really good with all my extra mugs. I have an addiction. I know I need to declutter. Here's that junk drawer. I know, so messy, but look at it now. Look at it now. It's nice and organized. And I got my scissors and my flashlights there. I got my batteries all together, my, hammers and nails, and then a little just miscellaneous stuff over here. And it just feels so much nicer. On my floor, I have my scale, and then I have my dog's bowls. They're Rae Dunn bowls, super cute from Home Goods. Now for my favorite part, the before and after of the corner of my table. Look how beautiful it turned out. It just really reflects my style right now. I don't really know the style it is, but I need to learn how to decorate this 3-tiered stand, make it super cute. So I'm going to do some Pinteresting. Then I just have some mason jars and a canister to keep some dried goods in. And then here's that display that I showed you a little bit back. These are the herbs from my aunt's farm that I got from Christmas. I love my recipe book, recipe holder. And then I got the Magnolia Table book, which is also a really good one. I have my little cake stand I got for my bridal shower. Oh, I love this teapot. Isn't it just adorable with the ladybugs and the butterflies and the flowers? So cute. And then another little cake stand that I like. And over here, I ended up hanging that frame with all the herbs in the corner. And I just think it looks so stunning. I'm so happy with the way it looks. And to add more organization, I really needed it because all this stuff was just sitting on my table there. I got this 3-tiered cart from the Container Store. Okay, well that's it for my kitchen remodel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating a little space that reflects who I am. I know I have a lot of little projects to still do, so I definitely want to do a video of like a catch up on home projects that I still need to get done. Yeah, and don't forget to watch that other remodel video that I did of my living room, bedroom, because they're in one. I hope you have a lovely day today and do something kind for yourself and something kind for other people. All right, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.